Have you ever wanted to become stronger without going to the gym? No dumbbells, no machines, just your body and some space at home. That's calisthenics. It's a great way for beginners to start building strength. What is calisthenics? It's exercise that uses your own body weight, like push-ups, squats, planks, and pull-ups. Basic exercises that can be adjusted to your fitness level. The highlight is it's free. You don't need to join a gym or have special equipment. Only consistency before starting the workout. Keep this mindset in mind. Focus on doing things correctly rather than quickly. Begin with small efforts and gradually increase them over time. Being consistent is more important than being intense. So even spending just 10 minutes a day can add up significantly after a few weeks. Here's an easy routine you could try at home if you're just starting out. Do 3 sets of 5 to 10 push-ups. Kneel down if necessary. Squats using just your body weight. 3 groups of 10 to 15. Strengthens your legs and buttocks. Stand up straight. Plank hold. 3 rounds lasting 20 to 40 seconds each. Makes your core stronger. Keep your back straight. 3 sets of 10 to 12. Good for your lower back and hamstrings. Assisted pull-ups. If you have a bar, do 3 to 5 repetitions. Jump up quickly. Come down slowly. Get stronger so you can do full pull-ups. Common mistakes to avoid. Take your time with each exercise. Always do warm-ups first and avoid comparing yourself to people doing extreme exercises on Instagram. Improvement needs time. Here's your basic guide to starting calisthenics at home. Do this routine 3 times a week and see your strength improve. Which exercise are you doing first today? Which do you prefer, push-ups or squats? Let me know in the comments.